The TRAK Machine Tools booth in the South Hall will be a worthwhile stop at this year's IMTS. We will have a great lineup of machines, taking you from small lot efficiency through automated production machining. Our booth will show TRAK K-mills featuring the TRAK KMX CNC. Our bed mill line will be represented by a TRAK DPM RX5. You'll see the TRAK VMC2, the small machining center with the big impact. The TRAK TRL lathes will be represented by a 1630 RX and an 1845 RX. You can also explore our TRAK TMC toolroom milling machines. Along with the TRAK RMX CNC, we now have a powerful and easy-to-use probing feature. Representing TRAK machines featuring the Cinemeric 1 CNC, we will have a TRAK VMC SI with a TRAK trunnion. We will also have the TRAK TC820 LTY-S SI. Of course, product experts will be manning the booth to spend as much or as little time as you need. So plan to visit the TRAK Machine Tools booth at IMTS. We hope to see you there.